Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to cutepolish. Today we're going to show you how to get these incredible stiletto nails with a chevron print just by using dip powder. We've partnered up with GH Dip to use one of their best-selling fast-drying dip powder kits from Amazon. This kit is fantastic for beginners and it's a smart option if you're looking to get salon-quality nails at home. Inside each kit, you get 4 bottles of liquid, a base, an activator, the shiny top coat, and a brush saver. This is their glitter dip powder kit, and it comes with 6 beautiful glittery shades in large jars with gorgeous chrome lids and a hollow text. There's a glitter black shade, a super sparkly gunmetal gray, a fun bright purple, a lovely mauve, a pretty turquoise, and a bright blue. So let's get started on the nails. First, we need to prep our nails by pushing back the cuticles and buffing them so that they're matte. This ensures that our natural nails are ready for the dip powder to stick to them. Remove any dust from your nails by using rubbing alcohol. We're going with some long stiletto nails today, so we're attaching the tips on using the base. If you're not into this length or shape, you can just go ahead and use whatever tips are your favorite, or you can just do this design on your natural nails. Now let's get into using the dip powder. We're going to begin by using the black shade first. We applied a small triangle shape of the base liquid near the cuticle of our nail, and now we're pouring the dip powder over it. Then tap off any excess. Next, take the base again and paint a chevron stripe below the black. Be precise as you do this and be sure to get it all the way over on each side wall. This time we're going to pour some of this beautiful glittery mauve powder over our nail. Brush away any excess and then continue on the same steps to complete the chevron pattern down your nail. We're so happy with how this turned out. Looks pretty cool, huh? Now that the first layer is done, you need to go in and do a second layer over it to make sure that the color is fully opaque. You can also clean up any lines during the second layer to make the design perfect. For the rest of the nails, we decided to pair the chevron print with solid black and mauve nails. To do this, apply the base over your nail, and then you can dip directly into the jar. Then apply the second layer. Because these nails are so long, it's easier just to pour the powder over them. But you're always welcome to just dip them straight into the jar versus pouring them like this. Something that makes this dip powder formula stand out from the others on the market is that the dip powder will dry on its own within 30 seconds without having to apply the activator on top. It's time to apply the activator. Use 1 coat of this over all your nails to ensure that the dip powder is completely dry and ready for the top coat. It's time for the Glossy Top Coat. To get really shiny nails, apply 1 coat of the top coat over all your nails, wait until it's half dry, and then apply a second and final layer. Now, if you need to, you can use the brush saver to remove any unwanted residue that may have hardened on your brushes during application. And now your stunning nails are all done. We'll have a direct link to this kit on Amazon for you guys in the description box below in case you're interested in trying it out for yourself. If you have any questions for us, let us know in the comments below. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you next time.